Know your ABC. Hello children. Today we will learn to recognize letter C. So sound of letter C is K. K. C for castle. K. C for calf. Now children, can you see the capital letter C here? Let's stick it together. Yes, that's right. One more time. Find the capital C and tick it. Correct. Very good. Last time. Can you can you find capital C? Now tick it. Hey, good job. Now children, are you able to find small c here? Let's stick it together. Yes, that's right. One more time. Find the small c and tick it. Wow, correct. Now last time. Let's find small c together. Yes, correct. Well done. Hey kids, can you spot the letter C here in this box? Let's tick it. Yes, that's right. One more I can see. Can you find it? Yes, that's correct. One more is left. Yes, that's absolutely right. Good job. Can you spot the capital C in this box? Let's stick it together. Yes, that's right. One more is there. Oh yes. Can you find one more? Yes, that's absolutely right. Correct. Good job. Now kids, we will tick the picture which starts with letter B. Can you find it? Yes, that's right. C for cow. Can you find B in second picture? Let's stick it together. That's right. C for camel. Last one, can you find C in third picture? Let's stick it together. Yes, absolutely right. C for carrot. Wow. Okay children, now let's spell the word that starts with letter C. Cap. Cherry. Cabbage. Crab. Cheese. Corn. Cat. Car. Comb. Cake. Chocolate. Camera. Clock. Caterpillar. Carrot. Well done. Good job kids. Bye.
Like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.